In this video, I'll show you the different ways that you can conduct searches in MusicID.
For a basic search, enter an artist name or title keywords from the home page. Results are split into 3 tabs: Artists, Albums, and Singles. Select the artist that you'd like to view, or click the Albums or Singles tab to view records with your keywords in the title. Select as many recordings as you'd like to view their chart history. Please note that our data does not yet have a controlled vocabulary, which means that you may see some duplicate results, as in this example from David Bowie. If your results have duplicates, you only need to select one of them. When a result has multiple entries with different countries listed, we recommend picking each result that lists the countries that you need. Use date search to go straight to a specific date for a specific chart. Advanced search is a shortcut to a result in a specific search field. You'll see search results only for the field that you selected, in this case, Singles with Helter in the title.